A very good day to all my dear friends. Today I'm going to share a Sindhi recipe with all of you, traditional one, which is almost forgotten these days. Not many people make it. We'll make kareli basaraji bhaji, or we also call it basara me karela, which means bitter gourd cooked with caramelized onions. It tastes so good without even the addition of any spices. Nothing goes into it except salt and black pepper, and still it tastes so good. The bitterness from the karelas, the sweetness of the caramelized onion blended together makes this side dish very flavorful. We usually serve it with rotis, and you won't even like to eat anything else with it. Any day you want to eat something light, non spicy food, then go for it. You will really love it. So, we will not waste any time and let's get started. This sabzi, we just require these 5 ingredients. Karelas I have taken 250 grams. Scrape the outer skin lightly and cut them into thin slices. Discard seeds if there are any. Onions I have 3 or 4 small sliced. Oil 1 cup. We'll use it for frying and little bit for cooking. Salt to taste and black pepper as needed. Find the ingredients list also in the description box. Now let's begin by marinating the karelas. Sprinkle some salt on them. Mix it very well and you set them aside for few hours or preferably overnight. If you are keeping overnight, you can refrigerate them. Take a cooking pot. I have taken sipri. This is what we normally use in Sindhi cooking. Heat the oil, which is 1 cup, and fry the karelas. Since the sipri has a round base, the frying becomes easier. At regular intervals, keep stirring them so that you get a uniform color and they are fried evenly. Fry them until they are 3/4 done. Now you can remove them in a plate. This is a very simple sabzi to make. As you have seen, we have used only few ingredients, and surprisingly, without even the addition of masalas, it tastes amazing. Now the karelas are out of the oil. We are going to reduce the quantity of oil. Just leave behind 2 tablespoons for cooking. This will be sufficient. Now in this oil, we are going to saute the onions. The quantity of onions also, we should take the same as karelas, equal quantity. Continuously stir them until they change color and become golden brown, pinkish in color. Now it's time to stir in the karelas. Add them and give them a nice mix. Now reduce the flame and cover the lid. We are going to simmer them. On low flame, they'll be cooked, and the salt from the karelas will be infused into the caramelized onion. Sweet and bitter taste is blended together. This is what makes the sabzi amazingly delicious. You can see the water has come out of the karelas. We don't need to add any water. Finally, when they are ready, crush the black pepper on them. You could either add it in the pot or individually sprinkle it in the bowl when you are serving. Either way. So Sindhi style karela sabzi, we call it karele basaraji bhaji or basara mein karela. It's ready. You can dish it out. This sabzi goes very well with rotis, plain roti and karele ki bhaji. Lovely combo. Usually in Sindhi homes, we make this on Mondays after indulgence in heavy meals on the weekend. This is a simple sabzi without any spices, cool on the stomach. Do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love it too. So, such simple traditional recipes are really worth trying. Make and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. Bye until next. Take care.